No matter how much you prepare, sometimes you find yourself in an emergency. Cars break down, medical bills pop up, roofs leak, or simply more month than money. It can be a struggle to get a loan for expenses like these. Now you can get the cash you need from your credit union, quickly, easily, and without the runaround. Applying is simple. Learn what you qualify for from your phone, tablet, or computer. We evaluate your loan immediately. Upon approval, the money is immediately deposited into your account. The whole process takes as little as 60 seconds. Imagine, in just minutes, you are on your way to pick up your car, pay the medical bills, or call the roofing company. Crisis averted. The unexpected doesn't have to ruin your day. Visit our website to learn more or apply. When life happens, we are here for you.